This is a disassembly of the Coolpad Quattro 4G by Metro PCS. First, remove your back door. Battery and the SD card comes up. Then you got to remove all 8 screws from the back housing. 5, 6, 7, 8. After removing the 8 screws from the back housing, you have to take a pick and work your way into the side of the phone. You have a flex at the bottom of the board that you have to release and then pull it out very carefully. On the side you have another one that you have to release and pull out. Right above it is another flex. And make sure to remove the camera's flex. Now you need to remove this piece down here, which is held in by 3 screws. Keep these separate from your back housing screws because they're different sizes. Use a pry tool to pick that up. Now you're going to need to remove the serial number sticker. Then there's a number of screws in the circuit board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You gotta take out all 9 screws.